And here is the Toro recycler now all cleaned up from my neighbor. I am not exactly sure what was wrong with it. It finally started after I pulled on that rope enough times. So the good thing is he lives next door. If it breaks again, we can take a look at it. Seems to run pretty well. I did not have an air filter, so I cleaned the one I had, the one that was in there. And sharpened the blade on this. I think it's actually in pretty good shape. Front wheel drive works good on it. Blade was a little bit out of balance. We got that back in balance and put an edge on it. And this blade looks like it's actually in pretty good shape. A couple of dings in it. Not bad. We'll put an edge on this and make sure it's in balance. And put an edge on the blade here. It's in okay shape. Got a couple dings in it. Had to take a little bit of metal off the back of that to make it in balance. And we got an edge here. And we're just going to go ahead and put this back on before I clean it, since I've already got it like this. I've had several of these. Are actually, if they run this long, they will run longer. These Tecumseh engines. Get good ones, you get bad ones. Let's give this a last start here and we'll take this back so we can go ahead and use it. Nice looking Toro. Go ahead and give it a prime here. And see if it starts after cleaning it. Here we go. Sounds really good. Engine's still wet, but runs good. Front wheel drive. I think you'll be happy this is running again. Great running Toro.